Let's examine the design in more detail, because the FlexiHang mobile wardrobe combines form and function to be more than just a clothing rack. Its sleek, contemporary style and expert craftsmanship make it a remarkable addition to your living area. This cleverly designed furniture is more than simply a storage solution. It becomes a visual delight as it flows naturally into your ever-changing lifestyle. It's an elegant take on the idea of mobile wardrobes, not just a clothes rack. But what truly sets FlexiHang mobile wardrobe apart is its flexibility and organization prowess. This movable clothes rack doesn't just hold your garments, it does so with a touch of innovation. The adjustable height and width allow you to customize the rack to fit your space and accommodate various clothing items. Equipped with wheels, FlexiHang mobile wardrobe becomes the guardian of your fashion flexibility, offering convenience in every corner of your living space. It's not just a clothes rack, it's a symphony of mobile organization. Versatility is FlexiHang mobile wardrobe's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to specific areas, it adapts to your diverse storage needs. The portable design allows for easy movement from room to room, ensuring that you have instant access to your wardrobe wherever you need it. Whether you're planning outfits in the bedroom, selecting accessories in the dressing room, or showcasing your latest finds in the living room, FlexiHang mobile wardrobe is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of mobile storage. It's not just a clothes rack, it's an avant-garde solution to your ever-changing fashion storage. Operation is a breeze with FlexiHang mobile wardrobe. No need for complicated setups or intricate instructions. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily assemble and move your mobile wardrobe with minimal effort. The durable construction ensures longevity, making FlexiHang mobile wardrobe a reliable companion for your fashion storage needs. It's not just a clothes rack, it's an easy upgrade to a world of flexible organization. But what about durability? FlexiHang mobile wardrobe doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and movement. The sturdy frame and smooth rolling wheels maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your movable clothes rack remains a reliable storage tool for the long run. It's not just a clothes rack,